Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. Today I will walk you through how to create a Binance wallet account in just few simple steps, so let's get started. After you have installed the Binance app from the Play Store or App Store, go ahead and open it. Now tap on the sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. On the welcome screen, you'll see several options: sign up with phone or email, continue with Google, sign up as an entity for businesses, or if you already have an account, simply tap login. Let's choose sign up with phone or email. I will go with my email address for this one. Tap next. A verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that real quick. Now create a strong password and tap next. Alternatively, you can just tap continue with Google to quickly sign in using your Gmail account. No password needed. If you are signing up as businesses or institution, tap sign up as an entity and fill in your business registration and ID documents. Binance may ask you to complete KYC verification by uploading your ID and a quick selfie, but it's required for full access. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication and make sure to back up your recovery info securely. And that's it. Your Binance wallet account is ready to use. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.